American Lokring is a certified General Motors part and is used frequently by many dealers all over the world. Lokring tube connection technology represents a proven method of producing hermetically sealed metal-to-metal tube connections. The Lokring tube connectors are used in the automotive, air conditioning, and refrigeration and appliance industries. Besides the 5 connectors General Motors uses, American Lokring has several hundred other connectors that can be used to make your job more easy, economical, and profitable. Examples are tube to tube, tube to hose, charge and suction ports, 90-degree tube to tube, 45-degree tube to hose, 90-degree tube to hose, and deadheads. They are also available all in reduced barrier size. Please contact us at Hose Help Incorporated, 1-800-919-HOSE, 1-800-919-4673, or email us at hosehelp@aol.com.